Hi everyone. Today we are going to create our first test case, and that test case agenda is to launch the application. So first thing that I need to do is to under this source test Java folder, and under this project I need to create one file. So go to the new, create one file, give the name the file launch app. Just give it to, because I have already one file with this name. So yes, now our next step is to create one function, test case function. Obviously, create test case function, public void, and my function name obviously launch app test. Give it to. Now we have created a function. I'm going to add one notation over this function, and that is of at the rate test. This notation is from test.ng. When you will hover over it, you will get this import from the test.ng, and this dependency we have already installed in our system. You can watch my previous session, and you will get the idea. So this is the dependency that we are using in our application. So this notation make it easier to run the test cases. That's why we have used it. Now my next step is to add the capabilities of my mobile device. Basically, we are going to create a connection with our device, that can be virtual device, for that is emulator. And you can open this device by opening the Android Studio. Just simply go to the Android Studio and navigate to the virtual device manager, and you will be navigated to this page, this virtual device manager. And whatever the device that you have created, you can simply click on the play button over here, and then your virtual device will start running. Basically, this is the step to run an emulator. You can use your physical device too, but for now I'm using the emulator. And so we have started our emulator, and we are writing the test case, but we don't have any connection with like how we are going to use the simulator for launching our application, or for like running our test cases. For that we have one driver, that is UI Automator 2. This is for the Android, and right now we are only dealing with the Android application. Later on, we will also do the test cases for the iOS application as well, but for now, we are focusing on the Android only. So, first thing first, I will define the capabilities, and for that, we are going to use UI Automator driver. UI Automator 2 options. Give the name as options, and new UI Automator 2 options. Okay, we have created one instance for it. Right now we are getting the error, but when you will hover over it, you will get the import fix. So just simply click on this import. That's it, and the error is gone. Our next step is to define the dependencies. Dependencies or capabilities, you can say, first capability uh, uh, that can make the connection between the emulator and the test case is the device name. So I will simply add the device name, set device name. And what device name I'm going to add, you can simply check it out from your Android Studio. So right now, the device that I have played is this one. So I'm going to add this name, Nexus 4 API 34, in my test case. Nexus 4 API 34. This is done. Next step is to add the your application path. So for now, I'm going to give the hard-coded path. Later on, we are going to specify the dynamic path as well. But for now, let's just focus on the launching application. So earlier, I have added one package in my folder. You can simply right-click on it, new, go to the package, add it, and you can simply give any package name like utilities. Your package will be created, right? And you can simply move it over here too. Okay, one sec, just let me delete this. Okay, now, and selected this new, click on package, and here I will give the name utilities. Okay, new. Okay, now this package is created. Now under this package, you can whatever the application you have, you can add it here. Like I had one app build APK file, like for example color note. I simply dragged it and added it into this package. So that's it, and this APK was added. I've done the same thing for the resources, but for now, I'm going to delete this because I don't need it right now. The same way you can create one resources package, and under this you can add this file. So I will right click on it and I will get this path for the APK. Just copy the path, cancel it, add this path over here, and add the semicolon. That's it. So we have defined the capabilities for them. Now we are going to run our APM server. APM server to launch the application. For that, we need one driver. And since we are dealing with the Android application, I'm going to add the Android driver. That's why I am mentioning Android driver over here. Just write driver, new, create an instance for the Android driver, and okay, driver. Okay, I'm getting one error. Just hover over it. You will get the import for it. Add this import, and error is gone. Now, for this error, it will be removed eventually when I will add the necessary details. So first, I need to specify the URL that I'm going to hit for the server. So we need the APM server URL, right? For that, we need to launch our command prompt. So simply go to the CMD, and over here just simply run this APM command. When you will run this command, it will start running. And okay, it's already running in my system, but the command is same for you. It will start running for you. I'll just simply go to the part where it started running. Okay, it was running from here somewhere. Um, okay, I'll just run it again. No issues. Just Control C to get out of it. Okay, now session is closed. Let me clear it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now let's run our APM server by simply running this command. Okay, here is the URL that we need for running our APM server. Just copy this URL, add it into the code. So we have added the URL. Now the next attribute that we need is capabilities. So I have added the capabilities. This will make the connections for us. Okay, for URI, I need to convert it to the URL. To URL function is there for it. That's it. Okay, one import is missing. Just hover over it and you will get this import. Okay, and one throws app declaration that you need to add. Just select it. That's it. Error is gone. Now the next thing, and that is to run our test case. Before that, make sure that your server is running. Okay, it's running properly. Next step is your emulator device is running properly. Okay, it's running. And make sure that no that app is available in the system. If there is the app that you are instantiating is available, make sure to delete it, so it makes it easier for us. Just go to the advanced, or just simply click on it, uninstall it. Uninstalled, done, and go to the back. Now it's done. Emulator is running, APM server is running. Next step is to run the test case. So for running the test case, right click on the file that you are using and click on the test ng. Before that, just control save it, control S. It will save the changes. Go to the right click, run as test ng, and it will start running. Okay, tap over it. Okay, let's see whether it's going to. Okay, it has successfully launched the application, right? Okay, okay, it's working fine. So that's how you can launch your application. Thank you.